Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today, we will be comparing two powerful GPUs, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the MSI RTX 5070. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and cooling systems to see which one comes out on top. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, choosing the right graphics card is crucial for your setup. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the MSI RTX 5070 is designed for extreme gaming, boasting higher clock speeds and a newer architecture that allows for better frame rates in demanding games. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Ti is more suited for mid-range gaming, offering solid performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming, but may struggle with the latest titles at ultra settings. Both cards support NVIDIA's DLSS technology, enhancing performance, but the RTX 5070 takes the lead in high-resolution scenarios. Cooling is essential for maintaining performance, especially during intense gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Ti features the WINDFORCE cooling system, which effectively dissipates heat and keeps the card running quietly. On the other hand, the MSI RTX 5070 utilizes the TRI-FROZR4 thermal design, which not only keeps temperatures low, but also enhances airflow with its advanced fan technology. Both systems are effective, but the TRI-FROZR4 is known for its superior cooling efficiency under load. Price is a significant factor for many buyers. The GIGABYTE RTX 4060 Ti is priced at $449, making it an attractive option for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the MSI RTX 5070 comes with a hefty price tag of $729, reflecting its high-end performance and advanced features. While the RTX 5070 offers superior capabilities, the RTX 4060 Ti provides excellent value for those who do not require the absolute best performance. It's essential to weigh your needs against your budget when making a decision. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the MSI RTX 5070 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 4060 Ti is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the RTX 5070 is geared towards those seeking top-tier performance. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.